Hi there, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking my video and don't forget to subscribe. So if you click my video, looks like you're looking for answers here. So the one you're looking is which drone you should buy in 2023, which I will try to briefly describe or talk about this in this small video. So let's move on. It's end of July, well, or to be more specific, it's 23rd of July 2023. And the time is, when I'm recording this video, is 8 o'clock, 4 minutes. And if you're asking yourself, like, which drone you should buy, well, it's half a year already gone, but you still have like another half a year. Maybe you want to buy a new drone this half a year. So we're going to talk about this in this video. So what drone should you buy in 2023? Did you ask these questions? If yes, I would personally recommend to buy DJI Mini 3 Pro or DJI Mini 3, a simple one. The reason is they're affordable, they're great, they're light, you can travel with them around, they, well, easy foldable, you can put them in a pocket or like small luggage, small bag, and you can travel with them anywhere you want. And the image quality is outstanding. I still have here DJI Air 2S, and well, I don't take it as often as I want it, but most of the time I'm taking my DJI Mini 3 Pro, which is my to-go drone everywhere. As I said before, the image quality on this drone is outstanding. You'd be very surprised about the quality of videos as well, as I said, images. And if you don't shoot like Hollywood movies or films, this drone is the one to go. Well, for average person like me and you, this drone should be enough. I don't think you'd need more than a small drone, affordable, the one you can pack everywhere and just travel around. And this drone is the one, as I said, the one to go in 2023. Owning DJI Mini 3 Pro or Mini 3 is you don't need to have any additional license to do commercial work, as long as you get right insurance. So if someone asks you to shoot properties, or roofers might ask you to take some images, you don't need any commercial license. The reason is because it's less than 259 grams and it doesn't weigh a lot, to be honest. As long as you get insurance for that, you should be alright. And that's another reason why you should get this drone in 2023. In terms of functionalities, this DJI Mini 3 Pro has pretty much all of them that my drone DJI Air 2S has. So it's very convenient for me to have all them functionalities in such a small drone, which is, I think it's very, as I said, it's very convenient for me to travel around and take some images, especially if I don't gather any attention from public, because this drone is very noisy. And this one is very quiet drone, which is another plus to has. And you can buy this one in 2023. It's another plus. If you have the budget and you're willing to spend more money, I would recommend to check the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, which is, I think, great drone. Basically, from what I've read online, I don't own the drone, but what other people said online, they said everything good. Like its flying time is like around 40 minutes. Which is good, and got a lot of functionalities like zoom and all this stuff. But you should never rely on what other people said online or what other YouTubers said, because most of the time they are sponsored and you never know what's true or what's not, and you likely to spend like around £3,000 or more just on a drone, and you might end up just doing same thing which you could do with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and I think it's a waste of money unless you got money. Another good thing you should check is that DJI releasing drones every year. So I think this year they're gonna release more drones, and that will give you opportunity to buy all the versions like DJI Mini 2 or DJI Air 2S for less money, but still brand new. I think they still provide you what you need, and that's a good advantage for you to take especially if they're gonna release a new drone. The older one will gonna get discounted, and well, unless you go with the budget, as I said, you could get same drone, same functionality for less money, but like older model. And I think you should consider that in 2023, unless you're willing to wait for 2024, and maybe you're gonna check your budget or see what you want or what you plan to do with the drone. I personally don't shoot movies for Hollywood or films, so most of the time I do photography, and maybe time to time I do video. So these two drones are more than enough for me, and I'm very happy with them. I said most of the time I'm using my DJI Mini 3 Pro, and maybe sometimes I'm using DJI Air 2S. I will consider selling this drone maybe, and upgrading to maybe DJI Mavic 3 Pro, maybe that's next year. But at the moment I'm thinking to buy DJI Avata and to try that FPV experience. Hopefully I'll get that this year, hopefully. Before pulling the trigger and clicking that purchase button, make sure you ask yourself a couple of questions before you do that. Example, where I'm planning to fly my drone. Example, if it's a big drone like DJI 2S, you're gonna have very restricted area where to fly it. You won't be able to fly in very crowded places, like in towns. You probably need a license for that or qualifications. Or what's your budget? If you have a limit on your budget, you should think what drone should you get based on that budget. And another thing is, what are you intending to do with that drone? If you want to do photography, I think DJI Mini 3 Pro will handle pretty good. If you want to do more than that, you should consider like much more expensive drones like DJI Air 2S or Mavic 3 Pro or other new drones which you can see in the market. Once you're going to answer to all these 3 questions, you're going to have an idea what drone should you buy. Example, if you want to use a drone to make YouTubes or I don't know, like photography, I think DJI Mini 3 Pro will do that very good. And you don't have to worry about the image quality, the video quality. All you have to worry about is to have a laptop which can handle all that file from this small drone. And I think that's the most important. You have to have at home, like a good laptop which you can work without any issues. And to finish this video, I would personally again recommend to buy DJI Mini 3 Pro in 2023. And about the reasons, I've already told them in the video. And you won't, I promise you, you won't regret buying this drone. I think you're going to enjoy as much as I do. And you won't regret spending any money on that. So this drone is the one to go in 2023. But if you have the budget, you can get from Mavic 3 Pro or DJI Air 2S. It's cool. It's quite decent drone as well. If you made till end of this video, thanks a lot for your time, for your valuable time. I really hope you've learned something from this video. If not, at least hopefully I entertain you. If I did, please do consider subscribe to my channel and do some thumbs up to my video, so I will know that I try to do best each video, trying to improve. And I know English is not my first language, but I still try my best. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching my video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and put some thumbs up, please. And I'm gonna make more videos in the future. If you have any questions, put them in comment below. I'm gonna reply back to you as quick as possible.